Each chapter, Mr. Bear will tell you a story about one of us. Come on, we mustn't be late. Keep together, kids. Don't get lost. It's going to be a busy day. Ready? Yes, sir. Come on, let's go, kids. Come on. Perhaps you'll talk about us.
The bear stories are always so interesting. Interesting like us.
Where is he? I don't see him.
I bet he stopped to eat some honey in the bees chapter. We all know how greedy he is.
I want the kids to learn about predators. He's coming.
Quit that jumping.
I see it all here. Well, today the great book of nature is open at another chapter. I'm gonna tell you a story all about a stork.
That was fun. It felt like flying.
I know. I'd love to be able to fly for real.
Huh? What do you mean?
Me too.
Looks like I'll have to keep an eye on those two youngsters, or they'll wind up getting themselves in a whole mess of trouble. They're fish, not birds.
In due course, the dry season came to the valley, and the lake gradually dried up, leaving only a few ponds here and there.
Look how high the stork is flying. Ooh, it's beautiful. I want to try it too. Let me try. Let me try. Whee! Me too.
Hey, little guy, why don't I take you to the big pond with your friends?
Well, I don't know. Oh dear, the stork got frightened.
What's he going to do?
I don't know.
Don't worry, son. Everything's gonna be just fine. You'll see.
Please, rub their eyes.
There you go, little pal. Have a nice day.
Thanks, Mr. Stork.
Hello, pond fish. And a fine good morning to you, friends. How are things down there,
Well, not too good, actually, Mr. Stork. I mean, what with the lake drying up and all?
Oh, yes, I can imagine that would cause a certain amount of discomfort in your restricted natural habitat. It's a great pity, indeed.
You're so lucky you can fly.
Yes, and from up there, I can see the whole valley.
What about all the other lakes and rivers? Are they drying up too, like ours?
Oh, goodness me, no, not at all. Nothing like it. There's a lake quite nearby that's just brimming over with water.
Do you really mean that, Mr. Stork?
Why, absolutely. It's hundreds of times bigger than this little puddle.
I don't trust that stork, not for a second. Go tell Grandfather Pike.
Right away, sir! Grandfather Pike! Grandfather Pike! There's trouble up on the surface, sir!
What's up there?
A stork!
Even flying low and slow, it doesn't take more than 2 minutes to get there.
You go warn everyone to stay clear of him. Hurry! Dang nabbit.
I want to be the first to go.
My pleasure, little pal.
Stop right there. Don't go near the surface while the stork's around, or it'll be the end of you. Go tell everyone else. Hurry!
Right away, Grandfather Pike.
You too, young'un.
But all the stork was doing was promising to take us to a bigger lake. What's so dangerous about that, Grandfather Pike?
He wants to eat you, kid. Haven't you got that through your thick skull yet?
Sir! Sir! The stork has captured Ferdinand!
Oh, that's what I was afraid of. I knew not to trust that bird.
It's a technique Keen has kind of always used with you youngsters still dry behind the gills.
That's right. They're the sneakiest creatures that ever flew over the earth. The only thing they're after is filling up their bellies with as many foolish fish as they can catch.
Well, young'un, now you know the kind of foe you're facing. All I can say is be prepared.
Yes, Grandfather.
We're to stay away from the surface.
And avoid the stork at all costs.
Sir, we need to do something to counter this perilous situation. I have a plan in mind. It's a bit risky, but it might save many fishy lives.
Here I am, children. Who wants to be next?
He's back, sir. I'm going to put my plan into action, or with your approval, of course.
Good luck.
Where are you? I can't wait around all day, you know.
Here I am, Mr. Stork. Everyone wanted to go, so we drew lots, and I got the lucky number.
Let's see. It won't be easy for me to fly carrying you in my beak.
Oh, please, Mr. Stork. I'm not all that big. I'm a lot lighter than lots of fish. Please don't leave me here, I beg you. I want to go to that beautiful big lake, too. Please.
Oh, all right. Let's go.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Whoop.
Here we are. Let go of my beak.
What do you mean, here we are? Where's the lake? I don't see any lake.
Let go of my beak.
No way.
I'm warning you. If you don't let go, you'll be sorry.
I'll be sorry you ever got involved with my pincers, you lying, treacherous monster.
Think you're so smart, huh? I'll get you. Stay right there in your trap while I fly back to the pond and eat my fill of stupid little fish.
I gotta get back to the lake.
The stork is back! But there's no sign of Mr. Crab.
Well, here we are. Who's the next lucky kid? All your friends that I've taken to the big lake just love it, and they all miss you.
He's back!
All right, who wants to be next? Form a line.
Take me. Here I am. There I am. Over here, Mr. Stork.
Listen, he's got crab claw marks all over his neck, and he's captured Mr. King Crab. We have to find a way to get rid of him.
Find the others.
A volunteer. Quiet, you. Well, are you ready to join your friends, little one?
I'm not going anywhere.
Let go of me. I'm your benefactor. I'm not doing anyone any harm.
The only reason you're not doing anyone any harm is because I've got a stranglehold on you so you can't swallow any poor trusting fish right now, you rapacious monster!
Someone get him off me.
Get away from here as fast as you can!
If I don't save the poor little darling, this miserable puddle they live in will dry up and they'll all die. I've got to get them to the big lake right away.
Be quiet, you shameless liar! The only place you want to get them is down inside your big fat stomach!
It's raining. The dry season's over. Hey, look! King Crab is coming back.
Hi, Mr. Crab. Oh, that's fun. Mr. Well done. That's so much.
Will Ferdinand be back soon?
Ah, my child, when are you going to learn? This is no game. This is life. Ferdinand is never coming back. Now, I hope you've learned to stay away from storks.
Oh, yes, I have. Truly, truly, I have. I'll never let one near me again.
In the name of all of us here in the lake, I thank you for your heroic actions, Mr. King Crab, sir. Thanks to you, we can go back to living our normal lives in peace and tranquility. Not only that, but you've provided a valuable lesson in survival for our young folk.
I'm strong and intelligent.
I can do anything you can do.
You're a liar. Oh,
Hey, quit that!
No one calls me a liar and gets away with it.
You're both crazy. With my webbed feet and my wings, I can do anything better than either of you.
I don't think you can match my agility. Look!
You two don't have anything that matches the keenness of my eyesight and my sense of smell. I can beat both of you at any task, at any time whatsoever.
How about a little contest then? What do you say?
Let's run down to the lake, and each of us will show the others what he can do, huh?
Absolutely, I agree.
What are we waiting for?
Quack! What's with the two of you? Quit dawdling!
Could the three of you come over here for a minute?
Hi, Bossy, how are things?
I need your help.
Well, just say the
Whatever
word.
it is, I guarantee that I can do it better.
Good.
Cat's just a cat. You can't rely on her. Pick someone strong like me.
My feline agility solves any problem at all.
And I'm unbeatable in anything that has to do with water.
You all seem to be super qualified.
Hold I'll give you a demonstration of my talents.
Oh. Ooh. Can you do that?
No, I get dizzy.
Web feet can't climb trees.
Well, what do you
An
think?
extraordinary exhibition, I must admit.
Watch what I can do in the water. Quack, quack, quack! Quack, 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 quack. Quack, quack.
First rate.
My turn. Ha ha! There, you see how strong I am?
What wonderful demonstrations. I'll bet all of you could find what I need. A peach. My metabolism's been yearning for one all day.
I'll get it.
I'll get it.
Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack.
I'll go this way. I'm sure to find it.
It's over there. I feel it in my quills.
Maybe I can smell it.
There's nothing like checking things out from above.
No peach trees on the north bank.
I have to get on the other side. Oh well. Here goes. Ugh. Am I a great swimmer or what? What? Oh, help!
Quack.
I guess I need the duck.
Where is she?
Duck! Where is she? Duck! I need you! Please come here!
Huh? That's Dog. That's Dog, and he needs me. Here I am, Dog. Why do you need me?
We have to join forces if we want to find Bossy's peaches. And now we're getting somewhere.
Wow! I found a peach tree. Yeah! Oh no, they're pears.
Hey, wait! Don't run so fast.
Hurry up! I picked up the scent of peaches on the breeze.
Quack! Quack!
We need Cat.
Yes, her agility will save the day. Cat, where are you? We found the peach tree, but we need you to pick the fruit. Will you help us?
Of course.
Oh, thank goodness.
Oh boy, you found her! You found the cat!
Here I am. We should never have separated in the first place, right?
You're right. In union, they're straight.
All for one and all that stuff. Is that what you mean?
I'm so glad you're back.
Quack!
Here's one. And here's another one. And I'll take this one myself.
Stork! We brought you 3 peaches!
You've learned what it means to work together, haven't you?
The stork. How is the stork classified in the animal kingdom? The stork is a bird belonging to the order Siconiformes and to the family Siconidae. They are large with big bodies and long, thin legs. How many species are there and where do they live? There are more than 15 known species, the best known being the white stork, which lives in Europe, West and East Asia and North Africa. How do they live? Storks, alone or mated for life, live and nest in tall trees and buildings. They prefer plains or swampy areas close to humans. How does it move? The stork's bearing is very dignified. It maintains a most elegant demeanor even when at absolute rest. They can walk for many hours and are also tireless flyers capable of enduring extremely long migrations each year. What do they eat? Storks eat every type of animal, especially frogs, mice and insects. But they're also very fond of fish and of the eggs of ground-nesting birds. How do they protect themselves? Storks can become extremely aggressive when they're disturbed and will not hesitate to use their powerful beaks to attack. How do they relate to people? Usually very well. In fact, in popular tradition, the stork has always symbolized happiness and good luck. Can they live in the city? Storks love to live near humans, but not in the large urban centers. They prefer homes in the country to those in the city, even better when surrounded by areas of grass and trees.
Well, have you all learned the lesson? The moral of the story is that an offer for help can sometimes have an ulterior motive. Oh, look who's coming!